Handwriting is a mirror of knowledge. Even though it does not fetch you extra marks in exam, it plays an important role during your examination. If you have bad handwriting, it is hard for the examiner to correct your paper with many wrongs and cuts. So make sure that your handwriting is neat and legible so that it is easier for the examiner to correct your paper. If you wish that your handwriting could be a more little neat and legible, don't worry because I'm here with some amazing tips and tricks that can help you to improve your handwriting. Tip number 1. Gather best materials. Before going to write, you will need a pen or a pencil which you're comfortable to write with, and also you will need a piece of paper. I will prefer to keep a separate notebook for handwriting practice. If you keep a separate notebook from the beginning, you can practice the cursive alphabets, and then from cursive alphabets, you can practice big paragraphs and improve your handwriting. Tip number 2. Sit in a good posture. Sit straight and don't bend your shoulders as it can lead to back pain. Sit straight in a comfortable position. Perch on the front of your chair. Sit in an active and stable position. Sit in a comfortable desk or chair. Tip number 3. Choose a comfortable grip. Take the pen with your thumb and index finger. Place the middle finger under the pen and the ring finger and pinky finger under the middle finger. This position is called the tripod grip, but you can choose the position which is the most comfortable for you to write. Tip number 4. Try different hand positions. If you are left-handed, the top edge of the page should point to your right. And if you are right-handed, the top edge of the page should point to your left. But you can choose the most comfortable position which is comfortable for you to write. Tip number 5. Check the alignments. You can just copy any paragraph from textbook, storybook, magazine, etc. This gives you an idea of what your handwriting looks like at average. After copying the paragraph, it is time to analyze your writing. So first you need to check the slants. If the words are too slanty, it can make reading difficult. A slight slant is not at all a problem, but too much slant can make reading difficult. So make sure that you write neat and straight. And the next thing you need to check is spacing. Spacing between words is also very important. If the words are squished together, it can make reading difficult. So make sure that you give enough gap in words. A too much gap can also, it does not look good. And a too much words squished together is also not perfect. So just choose the perfect spacing in between words to improve your handwriting. Tip number 6. Practice daily. Practicing is the key to success. So make sure that you practice daily. At the first, when you start practicing, you can write slowly. And as the time goes on, you can increase your speed. Even in this way, you can practice for your exams because in exam, we have very less time to write our paper. Number 7. Practice alphabets. At the beginning, when you start practicing your handwriting, you can practice by writing alphabets. You can write cursive alphabets or also non-cursive alphabets. In this way, also it really helps to improve your handwriting. You can just start from the beginning and then start writing big paragraphs. Okay guys, that's it for today's video. If you like this video, make sure you like and share this video. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell so you guys can be notified whenever I upload new videos. Thanks for watching.